Now, when the fire authority make a routine fire safety inspection, they will require certain documents to be made available by the responsible person. Now, what are these documents that they will want to see? Well, typically, they'll want to see things like your records of your fire drills. You've got your copies of any issued enforcement notices. You've got your copies of your policies and your procedures. Records of training for your employees. You've also got, critically, the fire risk assessment. You must have done one and it must be available for the fire officer to see. You must make that available to them. They also might want to see copies of previous inspection reports and any corrective actions that might have been taken. They want to see your copies of all your maintenance records for all your systems, such as your sprinklers, your fire alarms, emergency lights. Anything that's got an issue on fire safety that means maintaining, you should have copies, and they want to see these copies. They'll also want to see the fire logbook. Copies of any incidents that you've occurred or near misses. So this demonstrates that you're looking at these incidents and you're actually dealing with them to prevent them. So any incidents that have occurred or near misses, they are the sort of things the fire authority will want to see when they turn up your premises and ask for any records. They're the sort of things they'd want to see. Now I'm going to talk about the Health and Safety Executive. Now, the Health and Safety Commission was a United Kingdom non-departmental public body, and its responsibilities covered England and Wales and Scotland. Now, this department merged with the Health and Safety Executive on the 1st of April 2008. So they merged. The Health and Safety Commission joined with the Health and Safety Executive. Now, their duties included, first of all, to make arrangements for and encourage research and publications and training. They were to assist and encourage persons in compliance with the Health and Safety at Work Act. They were there to make arrangements for securing that government departments, employers, employees and other persons are kept informed of all matters relating to health and safety. They were also to propose regulations. They also have to keep the Secretary of State informed of its plans and ensure it aligns with their policies. So whatever the Secretary of State's policies are, the HSE are supposed to follow those policies. And the Secretary of State can give directions to the Health and Safety Executive. So there, the Secretary of State can actually tell the Health and Safety Executive where they should be aligning their policies. They also have a number of associated departments. And these are, you've got the Explosive Directorate, and these cover classification and transport of explosives, and it licenses manufacturing and larger storage sites. You've got the Nuclear Directorate, which has 4 functions. First of all, they have got the security of nuclear sites. They have got safeguarding civilian nuclear material to prevent diversion to weapons. They have got to consider nuclear safety and radioactive waste management of civilian and defence sites, and a nuclear safety research programme. You've also got another department, which is the Health and Safety Laboratory, and they cover each issues such as research and development, environmental and biological monitoring, forensic investigation, validation and certification, and specialist advice and consultation. Now, the Health and Safety Executive, as regards fire safety, they are responsible for enforcing the RRFSO for nuclear sites, a ship under construction or repair, and you've also got construction sites. So that's their role. They have to enforce the RRFSO, making sure they've done risk assessments, make sure all the staff are trained, making sure everything is in place in those particular areas. That is the role of the HSE in relation to fire safety. What do local authorities do? Well, they issue sports ground certificates, a regulated stand under the Safety of Sports Act 1987, and they have a duty under Article 45 of the RRO to consult authorities before passing plans to erect or extend a building deposited in the building regs.